it is close. He did, yeah.
In the wild, on his off-road machine, Greg found that his tank
My next full Marty, please wait behind the yellow line.
Oh, we're squeezing it. We are.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back
Oh, I
now.
guess you can. Hi guys, if you're on the left, big step in. I need to fit those ACDs.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please.
You have to go down for it. You really ought to be
I will rule it for you. And this morning, the spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, of course, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They retired here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Every room has wall-to-wall running chills. Listen.
Toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on the table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a sleep wings, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all later.
have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your dune buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Be sure to bring
Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.